Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can make your mic sounds like trash. So first, what you want to do is you need to go to your search bar and type in control panel. Once you open your control panel, you want to just go to hardware and sound, and you want to go to this sound right here. You want to go to your recording, and you want to go to your mic. So you want to just click on it, you right click, click properties, go to levels, and max this out into 100%. Okay, now you want to go to advanced, and you want to put this at the lowest quality you can possibly get. Now you click apply, click yes, and okay. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.